everybody, welcome to Dominique Does It All. I am in my kitchen about to chef it up. So Classico sent me some of their Classico organic roasted garlic sauce and partnered with Influencer for my honest opinion. So I thought, you know what, let me get in my kitchen and make some Italian stuffed rolls with this Classico sauce. I already use their other Classico non-GMO sauces, so I already know this is gonna be fire. I was like, what can I make that's gonna be super easy and quick? And I thought Italian stuffed rolls. Who doesn't like that? Has meat, it has vegetables. I mean, it's pretty quick and easy. So this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need your Classico garlic roasted sauce. You're gonna need your Italian sausage. I like the ones that are already in the rolls because they're hotter than the other ones, and I like to like squeeze it out of the casings. Judge me not. I mean, it's a little bit harder, but like, trust me, the flavor is way better in these Johnsonville ones. Your rolls, of course. You're gonna need an onion, bell pepper. It doesn't really matter which one, I just prefer green bell pepper. Garlic, and some cheese. The cheese is in the refrigerator. You're also gonna need some seasonings and a pan and a plan. All right, I am gonna throw on this apron. Be right back so we can get started. You wanna make sure all of this gets cooked. See how some of it's still pink? None of that, that's gross. Okay, you guys, you don't want to break it up in little pieces either. All right, guys, this looks like it's about done. I'm going to turn it off. Okay, so you're going to turn it off, and then you want to drain this because it has a lot of oil in it. So now I'm just going to drain the Italian sausage because of the oil. Okay, you guys, next you're gonna saute your vegetables. I have a sliver of butter and some organic olive oil, and these are the vegetables. You have a little bit of garlic, a little bit of green bell pepper, and a little bit of onion. So we're just gonna throw it into the pan and saute it. Let that butter melt a little bit. I'm just gonna put these into the pan, like so. And you just want to saute them. I think that should be done when the onions turn like a translucent color. And you don't want it to be on high, you don't want it to burn. Next, you're gonna wanna take your sauteed vegetables and put it into another bowl. So I'm just gonna transfer it into this bowl. Okay, next you're gonna take your meat and you're gonna mix it in with your sauteed vegetables. And you're gonna have some diced cheese. It's gonna look like this, some cubes. And you're gonna mix some of your cubes in there as well, but not all of it. All right, so let's get started. I like to scoop it up so that way if some of the oil didn't drain, you're not scooping the oil in there. Cheese, some of that cheese in there. Next, you're gonna pour in some Classico organic roasted garlic sauce. You're not gonna pour the whole thing in, you're gonna pour accordingly. You don't want it to be, it's not spaghetti sauce. You don't want it to be all soupy, so just pour a little bit in and eyeball it. It smells so good. Just a little bit. Stir it up. So far, you guys, I'm like right here at the 12 mark. I mean, I might just use the whole thing. I don't even know. That sound is so disgusting. Okay, you guys, now that this is all mixed up and stirred well, now you're gonna add your seasonings. I have some black pepper. Oh. I have some chili powder. No, it's not. Seasoning salt. Salt. And garlic powder. And you want to just mix this as well. Now you guys are going to want to start your oven to 375. You actually wanted to preheat your oven before this video started to 375. I'm going to put that in the description box, but yeah, I'm going to start mine right now to 375. Next, you're going to stuff your rolls. I have some pre-cut tin foil because you're gonna want to individually wrap your rolls. And before you do that, you're gonna want to hollow out your rolls. I already hollowed mine out, but you're gonna wanna hollow out all of them. How cute is that? So that way you can stuff them. Let me grab a spoon. So you're gonna wanna stuff the inside all the way to the top and then fill it back up like so. Let's get started like that. I'm gonna put that bad boy back on there. And you're gonna wanna wrap it. And that one is done. And you're gonna do the same for this one. Let me just move this up here so you guys can see. Yeah, that one's a little skinny. There we go. You want to wrap it well so that way you don't have a mess in the oven. And then you want to repeat the step for all your rolls. So pop them in the oven for 30 minutes and then take them out, and I'll show you what the finishing product looks like in a moment. Be right back. Okay, you guys, so I just took these out of the oven. This is what it looks like. This is your finished product. Look at this. So much steam. The cheese is all melted. All right, you guys, don't mind me. It's a little hot, but I am just going to take a bite. It's kind of hot, so I'm gonna use a spoon, but normally you can just dig right in. So good. So yummy. Look at the steam. Oh my gosh. I wish you guys could taste this right now, but you know what? You could, because you're probably making it, right? Right? I know you guys are making this. Go ahead, pause, hit the subscribe button. I know you want to. Do it, do it, do it, do it. These are really good. I'm not just saying it because I made it. This is some good stuff. Your kids are gonna like it. Your boyfriends, your husband, your friends. Like, this is good stuff. Anyways, if you guys like this video and you want to see more just like this, more cooking tutorials, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Comment below and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. Anyways, thanks for watching, and as always, see you next time. Bye-bye.